Hello and nice to meet you. In this video I'm going to share with you how you can create a component inside of the workshop plugin from Framer. Let's go. First I need my glasses so I can see clear, and for you I recommend I start before building a component with a project sheet or requirements, and I write down some ideas. And in this case, for example, we have here the goal. What is the goal of the component? The goal could be to have an easy implementation of a timetable or of a calendar for a website. Visitor goal could be find classes like a guitar class and book it easily. And this is what I start, and I think about multiple use cases. So multiple use cases could be something like, okay, the visitor on the website of a dance studio or a musician school would like to have a calendar, and for this we need this component, and people can easily book their classes from there, or you can show events or talks depending on what you need. And then we have, for example, here the functions and features. What kind of functions do I need? I need, for example, a pop-up. This is what we are focusing on here in this tutorial. And we also want to have a real calendar. It's also important, so I mark it. And a description plus booking link. These are the most important things to come up with a basic component. Later on, I think about the properties. What kind of properties do I need? For example, we need a background property or shadow property, depending what kind of design do we want to offer. And also we have the user. Who is the user at the end? Is it a designer or someone who's building his own website and want to have a calendar to show coachings or classes or something else? And these are just the ideas. In the next step, I go to Pinterest or other websites, and then I look how they are approaching this concept of informations and how they're displaying this information. And here, for example, we have the dates, we have the timing, and we have a line. This is a cool UI, UX thing. So you can see, okay, this is the current time, for example. And then I think this is necessary for my component. And in the last step before building a workshop, I come up with an idea for myself. And I'm not trying to make it perfect. I just come up with something like a mock-up or some idea. And now we can start with the workshop tool. And I just make a screenshot of this. And I put it in here, and then I say create a timetable calendar component that looks like an attached image. So what I do, I keep it very simple, very specific, and yeah, because what happens, sometimes it can come up with mistakes or with errors if you have too much information. And now we can go shortly into what kind of models. So mostly I use Claude 4.5, it's really good. GPT 4.1 is also good, but the new one, Gemini 3, I didn't try it yet. It came out today, and GPT 5.1, I didn't try it out, and I will test it later on. Yeah, let's see. So I have here my component. I have a good foundation, and I can see, okay, it's also almost responsive. This could be a mistake. And we are going here. So the first thing that I would add is real-time dates. And before this, I test, okay, what is also already possible. So I'm telling Claude, please, or say, can you please add a function to the arrows to move, to change weeks, also add real time data, please. So now we have 2 points, but they are related to each other, so it should work out, it should work good, and while waiting I can write the next prompt, or I do something like designing thumbnails, or I build, sometimes I'm working on 2 or 3 components at the same time, and now I test it again, so it's a lot of testing. And we can see it's changing the date, and now I can say, okay, please change the date to date range to 25/11 to real time calendar dates, please. Now we need the next, add a pop-up to every event with details for the event and a button with a booking link. It's still building. So while this, I can look, okay, this is how it works. I can change here the timing. I can say 15, the duration. Here we get some mistakes. This is, for example, the duration is not applying. This is a bug that you have to fix and find before. So I'm testing every single property on how it works. And now we go add a pop-up to every event when user clicks on event with details for the booking link. And now I can say date range property should get real-time date informations like current week. It should be realistic data. Now I also can look what kind of properties do I have here for styling the whole thing. So I just sent it. I can change the hero text, and I also can change the time text. And now I set the next prompt and I say, okay, add a border shadow border property to the box, please. Takes a while, but now we can see, okay, we have here a description, so I can say, okay, guitar class Then I can add here a booking link or a page link to a booking form. I can change here the color, and here's an emoji, and I could change this. For example, I could say, okay, upload, add property to event item. You can see it here, and then I can add second property panel, add property for uploading my own icon for the event. Also, what you can do is you can say property control, use one upload, add one upload property for global icon on card, something like this. We will test this component now and see what happens. You see there's a pop-up and this is working. Also we have here a shadow, but the problem, we can't see the shadow, only very soft, and I can add more shadow property possibilities. Please to customize the properties, customize the shadow. This takes a while again, and now I look back to the function and features. We have a real calendar is there, we have a description plus booking link, and we have a pop-up. All other things like animations with frame of motion can be added later, depending on your need and what you want. And let's see. Now we have here the border color, for example, and here we have different settings that we can set. You see now the shadow here, and here's the pop-up, and it's also almost responsive. You have to test this. For example, this is way much bigger, so you have to customize it. Mostly I go to the home page and then I just copy paste it inside here, and then I look how would it work here, and then I try to customize it in a good way. Here we have to add some paddings and some padding properties, we can say. But yeah, we have already a component, and that the video is not that long. I'm breaking here. And if you have any questions to how to work with this, or any questions related to the workshop plugin, just let me know and just leave a comment. And if I could help you, if I could offer you some value with this video, it would be really nice if you like this video. And if you want to see more in the concern or topic of Framer, then subscribe to my channel. And hopefully we see each other in the next video, and have a nice day. See you soon.